Okay, today I'm going to show you a quick demo of Odoo point of sale application where you can do the counter sales and operations. Okay, by opening the application, you can see the counters here. There is one counter named shop and the details like last closing date and cash also showing there. You can open the counter by clicking the new session here. By clicking the new session, the counter will be opened and you can see the items and categories etc from the counter menu. As I said, you can set the opening cash here. Let me set 100 real here, and by clicking the open session, the session will be open, like the counter is opened. From here you can see the items listed here, the order menu and etc. Also on the above of the items you can see the categories. You can also list the items as different categories to select the items very easily. Okay, so and you can also search the products by typing the name of the product. You can select the products like the items by searching also. Okay, now I'm selecting some items here. One or more items I'm selected, and you can see the items listed on the post menu. From here you can, if you want to see the detailed information of an item, you can select the item and click on the info button. When clicking the info button, you can see the detailed information of the items here, like the price, the stocks available, and the order details, etc. And if you want to change the quantity of an item, you can change from by selecting the quantity and the item and choose the how much quantity you need to change. By changing the quantity, the price will also be automatically changed against the quantity you added. Also, if you want to change the price, you can select the item and choose the price and change accordingly. You can change from the post window itself. And if all okay, you can choose the payment option, and by clicking the payment, you can choose different payment methods like cash, bank, credit, etc. Customer account means credit. If the customer is on cash, you can select the cash and you can enter the cash received from the customer here, and you can see the actual price of the product and how many change you need to the balance of the amount. And also by clicking on the validate, the payment will be done, and one you can see the receipt here, like the items, quantity, and all the details, and also the change details also will be on the payment receipt. For the new order, next order, you can click on the new order and go to the next order as well. Also, you can also do multiple payment methods for a single sale also. Like if the customer is paying some amount on card or some amount in cash, you can also do that. Like let me add some items here. I'm adding some items on the post menu, and I'm going to payment, and you can choose the multiple payment methods here. Like I'm choosing the bank or card menu here, and the customer is giving 2 real on the card and 2 real on the cash. You can choose the card and cash from here. And also if the customer giving cash more than on the product, like this will also show the how many change you need to give back to the customer. Also by clicking the validate button, you can complete the payment and receipt will be printed accordingly. And by clicking new order, you will go to the next order. From here, I will show you how the credit sale is working. Okay, so let me add some items here, and I'm changing some quantity and price. And by clicking payment, you can choose the customer account as the credit payment. By clicking the customer account, you need to choose a customer for the credit payment. So by clicking the customer, you will go to the customer window. From here, you can choose the customer. Also, you can search the customer by going to search customers and type the customer name. And if you want to create a new customer, you can click the create button and create your customer from here. There are a lot of fields available here like the customer name, street, country, email, phone number, etc. By filling the details, you can click save and the customer will be created accordingly. And you can choose the customer, and by clicking the customer, the customer will be added to the credit payment. And by clicking the validate button, a sale will be generated and the receipt will be printed. And you can see the details from the menu itself. Okay, the next thing is orders. Like you can see an option on the top. There is an orders button. Like you can manage your orders. Like if a customer is taking one order and you need to hold that order and we need to create another order, you just go to the orders and from there you can see the ongoing orders from here. If you want to hold the ongoing order and you need to create new order, you just click on the new order button. Then a new order will be, you can take the new order. Like I'm selecting some items from the next order. And if you go to the orders menu, you can see now there are two orders, previous order and the ongoing order. So I'm going to bill the previous order and just go to payment, cash, and validate. The sale will be done. And if you go to the new order and if you want to bill the previous order, just go to order and select the previous order. So the previous order will be coming here and just do the payment and the sale will be completed. And the next one is sales return. You can return the customer sale products from here, like by going to the refund menu. You can see the refund option here, that is sales return. By clicking the refund, you will go to the orders list, like receipt list. You can choose the which order you need to sales return. So by searching the invoice number or receipt number, you can get the receipt from here, and by selecting the receipt, you will get the details, what product and how many quantity will be sold. And by clicking the refund button, you can return the product from here. And by clicking the refund button, you can see the product will be going on the negative quantity and negative price. You can choose the payment method and you can validate and return the price also. So by going to the refund, you can do the sales returns. Okay, and after all sales, and you can close the counter by going to the close button on the upper right corner. By clicking the close button, you will get an overview of the that day's sales. Like there are total orders, payments, and what is the opening balance, and what should be the total payment, etc. Also, you can count the cash on the cash drawer, like you on the counted menu. You can select the cash available in the cash drawer, and by typing that, you can close the counter by going to close session button. after close session button click, the counter will be closed, and you can see the details like the closing date and what is the closing cash and the balance, etc. Okay, next one is reporting. Like you can get various reports based on various criterias here, like the sales reports, counter reports, etc. So let me show one or two reports from here. Uh, by going to a reporting menu, you can see some reporting options like orders, posted session report, and sales details. If you want to get counter reports, like you can go to posted session report and choose the counter session, and you can download or print the report from here. Also on that report, you can get some details like the status of the counter. It is opened or closed, like the opening balance, closing balance, and the department wise sales reports, and also the payment details, etc. And if you go into orders reports, you can see detailed information about the sales and orders on that day, or you can filter it out by various categories, like various options. Like you can choose a day wise report, monthly report, weekly report, etc. Also you can filter it out by uh, product wise or product category wise, etc. If you select product, the product which sold on that date will be listed from here, and all the details will be shown here, like the total orders, total price, total quantity, etc. And also if you choose product category, you can filter it out by category wise sales, etc. And you can also filter it out by the day wise or date wise also. And if you want to download the report, you can just press the download button, and it will be downloaded as an Excel file. And also if you want to see the sales details summary, you can choose on which date you need to see that sale date summary, and you can download that details also by clicking the print button. A PDF file will be generated, and from that file you can see the details like which products are sold on that date and what is the quantity for that product on that sales, and also how which payment method and what is the total payment, total sales, etc. Okay, so that's all for today. Like quick demo of the POS counter sales reports. Okay, so if you want to open the counter again, you can just go to the new session button, and by clicking the new session button, the counter will be opened again for the new sales and operations. Also, when the counter is open, you can see the last closing balance as the opening balance for the new session. If you want to change the opening balance, you can change from here, and you can do the sales. That's all for today. Thank you.